Dear students, greetings to you all. Once you all are being welcome to our Serendipity Science 2 class. Today's topic is plant physiology. In Unit 12, plant anatomy and plant physiology. So, in past class we completed our plant anatomy fully. In this class, we are going to learn about plant physiology. Yes, let's start Jane. Plant physiology, தாவர உடலியல். Plant physiology, which means the study of how plant works, how the plant cells and organelles work together as supreme function. Yes, dear students, plastid. Plastids are double membrane bound organelles found in plants and some algae. They are responsible for preparation and storage of food. There are three types of plastids. 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 Write down the meanings. Double membrane, both layers. Bound, enclosed. Bound, enclosed. Found, present. Organelles, group of organs. So, organelles, group of organs. Preparation, making. Storage, save. Responsible, duty. Once again repeat. Double membrane, which means both layers. Bound, enclosed. Found, present. Organelles, group of organs. Preparation, making. Storage, save. Responsible, duty. So, plastids are both the enclosed layer of organelles that are present in plants and some algae. Pasan சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா? Yes, we knew right. Algae are green in color. Algae are green in color. So next sentence, listen my dears. Plastids main duty is to save the food materials for plants. Okay. Plastids main duty is to make and save the food materials for plants. Plastids consist of mainly three types. Plastids are both the enclosed layers of organelles that are present in plants and some algae. So plastid அப்படினாலே என்ன அர்த்தம்? Organelles. Okay. Chloroplast, green color plastid or green color organelle. Green color plastid or green color organelle. Chloro means green. Plast means living substance. Plast means living substance or organelle. So plast அப்படினால என்ன அர்த்தம் சொல்லியிருக்கேன்? Organelle. Plastids is a organelle, right? So only its first type, chloroplast, is also organelle. This is green colored plastids. Second one is chromoplast. Chromo means coloring. Plast means, already I said to you, organelle. What is in your book? Yellow, red, orange color plastids. So these chromoplasts are in three colors. Okay, that's function is giving colors to leaf, stem, fruit, flowers. Okay, third one is leucoplast. Leuco, which means weakly color, such as white in color. Okay, plast, which means organelle or plastid. Leucoplast is the colorless plastids. It is very, very important. So let's see about the first type, chloroplast. Dear student, next topic is structure of chloroplast. Chloroplasts are green plastids containing green pigments called chlorophyll. Chloroplasts are oval-shaped organelles having a diameter of 2 to 10 micrometer and a thickness of 1 to 2 micrometer. Chloroplasts are green color plastid. Dear students, chloroplasts are green color plastid. We knew, yes. That contains green pigment or green material substances called chlorophyll. Okay, chloro means, already said to you, green in color. Fill means leaf. Okay, fill means leaf. Chloroplast is a oval-shaped organelles. Chloroplast is a oval-shaped organelles or specialized structure has diameter of 2 to 10 micrometer. Micro. This is very, very important word. Micro. Okay. Thickness 1 to 2 micrometer. Okay. Ultrastructure of chloroplast. First one is envelope. Chloroplast envelope has outer and inner membranes which is separated by intermembrane space. Envelope, which means layer. Chloroplast envelope has outer and inner or layer or membrane. Okay, listen my dears. Chloroplast envelope has outer and inner layer or membrane. Both layers, layer or membrane, which means both layers are separated by middle intermembrane spaces. Both layers are separated by middle intermembrane spaces. Two or three செல்லுக்கு இடையில் இருக்க ஸ்பேஸ், இன்டர் செல்லுலார் ஸ்பேஸ். ஓகே, அதே 2 or 3 லேயர் இடையில் இருக்கக்கூடிய ஸ்பேஸு இன்டர்மெம்பரைன் ஸ்பேசஸ். லேயர் ஆர் மெம்பரைன், intercellular. Okay, stroma. Next one is stroma. Matrix present inside to the membrane is called stroma. It contains DNA, 70S ribosomes and other molecules required for protein synthesis. Stroma, matrix, which means jelly-like space inside the both membrane is called stroma. Dear students, matrix, which means jelly-like spaces inside the both membrane is called stroma. Okay, so that space has DNA, 70S ribosomes and other molecules. Therefore, these three are required for protein synthesis. Third one is thylakoids. It consists of thylakoid membrane that encloses thylakoid lumen photosynthetic pigments are present in thylakoids. Thylakoids form a stack of disc-like structures called a grana, singular granum. Dear children, third one is thylakoids. It has thylakoid membrane that encloses thylakoids. Enclosures are closed by thylakoid lumen. Lumen, which means a space inside a tubular structure. Lumen means a space inside a tubular structure. The photosynthetic pigments. Okay. Photosynthetic pigments are having thylakoids. So, that thylakoids form a stack, which means adukku. Okay, stack of disc mean tattu, like structures called grana. Thylakoids form a stack of disc-like structures called a grana. Grana, this is a plural form, the singular granum. Fourth one is grana. Thylakoids arranged in the form of disc stacked one above the other called granum. Grana are interconnected by stroma lamella. Grana, we knew thylakoids arranged in form of disc stacked one above the other is called granum. Dear children, thylakoids arranged in form of disc stack one above the other is called granum. Thylakoid, disc stack, one above other. Grana interconnected by stroma lemma. Grana interconnected by stroma lemma. Okay. Dear children, see the picture, ultrastructure of chloroplast. Envelope. Envelope, both layers, chloroplast envelope has outer and inner membrane. Both layers are separated by middle intermembrane spaces. Both layers are separated by middle intermembrane spaces. Next, stroma. Matrix means jelly-like spaces inside the both membrane. Okay, so it's called stroma. That space has DNA, 70S ribosomes and other molecules. These are required for protein synthesis. Third one is thylakoids. It has thylakoid membranes that encloses or closed by thylakoid lumen. Already I said to you, lumen means a space inside a tubular structure. So that thylakoids form a stack. See here, அடுக்கு. Stack which means அடுக்கு. Okay, like structure is called grana. So, the thylakoids form a stack, a disc-like structure called grana. We knew thylakoids arranged in form of disc. Thylakoid arranged in a form of disc, one above the other is called granum. Functions of chloroplast: photosynthesis, storage of starch, synthesis of fatty acids, storage of lipids, formation of chloroplast. Functions of chloroplast: first one is photosynthesis, second one is storage, saves the food material starch, third one is synthesis of fatty acids, synthesis or addition of fatty acids, fourth one storage of lipids, lipid is a organic compound insoluble in water, last one is formation of chloroplast. Okay, photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, photo, light, synthesis to build, is a process by which autotrophic organisms like green plants, algae and chlorophyll containing bacteria utilize the energy from sunlight to synthesize their own food. In this process, carbon dioxide combines with water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll to form carbohydrates. During this process, oxygen is released as byproduct. 6CO2 plus 12H2O, light by chlorophyll, C6H12O6 plus 6H2O plus 6O2 oxidized. Carbon dioxide plus water gives glucose plus water plus oxygen. Dear children, photosynthesis. Photo, which means light. Synthesize, which means to build. Photosynthesis is a process in which autotrophic organism, what are they? Green plants, algae and chlorophyll. There are contained bacteria utilize the energy from sunlight to synthesize or prepare their own food. This is very important 2-mark question. Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process in which autotrophic organism, what are they? Green plants, algae and chlorophyll. They are contained bacteria utilize the energy from sunlight to synthesize or prepare their own food. This is 2-mark question, very important question. In this process, CO2, carbon dioxide, combines with H2O, which means water, in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll to form carbohydrates. During this process, oxygen is released. This is 2 mark and 1 mark question per mark it. And 1 mark question, write the equation of photosynthesis. This is also 1 more 2 mark question. Okay, carbon dioxide plus water gives glucose, water and oxygen. Very important 2 mark question. Next, where does photosynthesis occur? Photosynthesis occurs in all green parts of the plant, especially in green leaves. Where does photosynthesis occur? This is also very important 2 mark question. Mark it. It occurs or happens in all green parts of plant, especially or specifically in green leaves. Okay. Next, photosynthetic pigments. Pigments involved in photosynthesis are called photosynthetic pigments. Photosynthetic pigments are of two classes, namely the primary pigments and accessory pigments. Chlorophyll is the primary pigment that traps solar energy and converts into electrical and chemical energy. Thus, it is called the reaction center. Other pigments such as chlorophyll B and carotenoids are called accessory pigments as they are pass on the absorbed energy to chlorophyll, a molecule. Reaction center, primary pigments, and carving center, accessory pigments together form pigment system. Dear children, photosynthetic pigment. Pigments involved in the above process photosynthesis. நம்ம பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா photosynthesis, அதோட pigments தான். ஓகேவா? ஸோ ஆர் கால்ட் as photosynthetic pigments. So photosynthetic pigments are two classes. Photosynthetic pigments are two classes, namely primary pigments and accessory pigments. First one is primary pigments. Chlorophyll is primary pigment that will trap. Chlorophyll is primary pigment that will trap or catch the solar energy and converts to electrical chemical energy. Dear children, can you understand ma? Electrical and chemical energy. Their primary pigments is called reaction center. It changes solar energy. It changes solar energy to electrical and chemical energy. Okay. Next one is accessory pigment. What are they? Yes. Chlorophyll B and carotenoids are called as accessory pigments. So, these pigments will pass on the absorbed energy. To where? To chlorophyll, a molecule, short term chlorophyll. Chlorophyll A, short term. Okay, ma'am? So, reaction center means primary pigments. Harvesting center means accessory pigments. Okay. These two pigments together form pigment synthesis. Reaction center means primary pigments. Harvesting center means accessory pigments. These two pigments together form pigment system. Okay, my dears? Dear students, mark the questions and take hint notes. Surely I will ask the questions to each and every one you. It's useful to answer your 1 mark test. Okay. So, be ready. All the best. Thank you.